Welcome to Swift Street, I guess. I finally had the chance to buy my dream car. I've got a lot of big plans for it, so let's go. Since I was young, I've had a massive interest in motorsport. The adrenaline, the excitement, the energy. I used to go to events like the V8 supercars, top fuel drag racing, and even sprint cars. I had been looking for a way to get into motorsport for what feels like forever, but either the timing wasn't right or the bank account said no. But then I discovered hill climbs. Similar to rally, but run as a single stage, one car at a time, racing from point A to point B as fast as possible. And it's open to just about everything. Open wheelers, sedans, utes, even hatchbacks. And I thought that sounded like fun, so when my old daily gave up, I figured it was time, and that's when I brought this. The Suzuki Swift Sport. I have wanted one of these for years. From the factory, it featured some improvements over the standard model, a sporty exterior with dual exhaust, alloy wheels, and an upgraded 1.6 litre engine. This one has seen better days, but with a little bit of elbow grease I'll be able to turn this little Swift into a track beating monster. They're small, light and quick, which makes them perfect for hill climbs. When I had the opportunity to own this one, I jumped at it. My aim is to get this car ready for the track. Follow along with me as I embark on my first year in motorsport, building, learning, hopefully getting faster and making some new friends along the way. In the next episode, I'm going to show this car some love, starting with the service. Well, that's it for this one. My name's Josh, this is Swift Street, and thank you for watching.